Categorizing questions simply require that students put information in categories. There is no specific prompt that students have to follow. You're going to have to take information and put it into a specific category, whether that's yes, no, true, false. Sometimes these can look like situational analysis questions, but they are not situational analysis questions when they do not have a specific prompt. So we're going to look at a few different examples of categorizing. If you want to pause the video and see if you can identify the categorizing for yourself before I explain it, feel free to do so, but I'm going to go ahead and go through those 3 examples. As I'm going through them, I want you to pay attention to the fact that when we talk about categorizing, we're really paying attention to the rows, right? Which option within that row do we need to select? So let's go ahead and go to our first example here. This is a 4th grade example. So if we look at this particular question, the student has to think about whether a response is true or false. And so they're going to go through each piece of information with the fractions and decide if they think it's true or false. We'll look at another 4th grade example. This one has to do with shapes. Once again, we're really only looking at the rows. All the students are doing is deciding the number of lines of symmetry and what they think fits with each shape. There's no prompt that they're working within. And then the last example, this is a 6th grade example. Once again, in this case, students are working within true or false. This is also a categorizing question. These 3 examples all are considered categorizing, and that's just a quick overview of categorizing and what it means to be a categorizing question.